Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to be unboxing this Handmade and Heartfelt kit. This is a special kit because this is the kit we're going to be making while we're celebrating World Card Making Day. So Stampin' Up! Is putting on a World Card Making Day. It is free if you want to join. You just need to go in and sign up, and I'll put the link for you. And then I will also get you a link for this handmade kit. This is what they're going to be using. Now you can just get together and watch online if you want to, and just take the little World Card Making Day class, or you can buy this and build along with them. So a group of us are going to get together and build along with them, but I wanted to unbox it and show you what's in it. If you want to be surprised, then obviously don't watch anymore. So the color they're giving is Secret Sea. And then we've got some stamps here. I wonder if they're going to have that white piece like they do in Stampin' Up! I think they would, but we will see. We've got, oh, it comes with a block in there. So all of our kits do. If it has stamping, it comes with blocks, unless Paper Pumpkin, you get your first block, and then each additional month, you just use that same block. So I'm going to get this out. This is everything that's in there, and we're going to open. It looks like this is the part. I'm not going to open this. Well, I will. I'll open it and we'll see what it is here. This is the box, actually, that we make to be able to hold all our cards. So it's actually pretty cool. I saw a picture of it, and so I'm excited to see it. I want to see if it's sturdy, and so that's why I decided to open it. But we get together, a group of us girls, and just have a good time. And it looks like it just pulls apart here, and it is pretty solid. And then it looks like you put this together like a box, and it's got tape already in there. I'm not going to tape it all up, but then it's got some other pieces that I don't know exactly where that fits in. It looks like things. Nope, it does. It looks like it fits right in there, actually. So this and this go in like this. Oh, there we go. And then we've got this piece that would go in like this. I think it goes the other way. Yes, there we go. And you see, it has that nice, and then there's this piece here, which looks like it's going to go right here. So it's got place for like pens and stuff. How cool is that? So I'm not going to put it together. I mean, I'm not going to glue it all down because it does have that tape in there. But I wanted to show you that part, and then we'll open up this part as well. And this is a kit, so it's gonna be similar if you are subscribed to Paper Pumpkin, and that's a monthly subscription kit. This is just a kit, and you can see everything beforehand, where the Paper Pumpkin is more along the lines of a surprise. So it's a nice little surprise in your mailbox each month, which I love. All right, let's see what we get in here. We have some twine, and it looks like it's a very vanilla twine. The great thing about these kits is it comes with everything you need. So there's a stamp block, there's some sequins, there's some dots, glue dots, and then there's some embellishments. These will have some glitter in them. And then it comes with all the little paper pieces, and they usually give you more paper pieces than you need. So we've got some little circular dots, and that's printed. I don't know if you can see the dots on there. And then it comes with enough envelopes to make the cards that are in there. So this comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we can make at least 10 cards. And I say at least because you can also do alternatives. So you don't have to build it just the way that they give you directions. So there's a couple tags and flags. That's ephemera there. And then we've got some dimensionals, some large dimensionals. And then we've got some card bases. So let's see here. Let's look at the card bases. We've got some little birds on here. There's 2. We've got some rainbows. And there's 2. This has a nice like hatch background. We've got some flags here, like little banners. We've got 2 of those. Here we have some more little pop-out pieces. There's some flags, labels, and those I'm sure are going to go across the cards after you do your stamping. I love that the inside is white, so you don't have to have another piece of paper in there. And then we've got some paper piercing pieces ephemera here. And they've got some rainbows. So I bet that's gonna go like maybe with the rainbow card. I know, I'm wise beyond my years. And then we've got this one here. That is really pretty. We've got these guys, a little, looks like coral or trees. I say that now, but I bet it's coral because here's some seashells. We've got this guy here. Looks like a little sunny thing. We've got some more ephemera. I'm looking to see if they're stickers. They are not. They are just laser cut ephemera. And then, like I said, we've got in the different languages our stamp set. So we are in the United States, so we're going to get the English version, and they're going to match up here. And the sign, I'm going to just go ahead and put this here right now. And I'm going to just fold it backwards. I don't cut it, at least I'm not going to cut it right now. And then when I store it, I just put it in here and store it in a CD case, like the kind we used to drive around with in our cars. All right, so let's see what these stamps say. We've got, hello sunshine, happy birthday, thanks so much, thinking of you, wishing you the best, and to and from. So you're going to be able to make so many cards, and for any occasion. And you can make the cards and leave the labels in that little section there. And then once you put it in that little section, you can go ahead and stamp your labels at that time. So they have the envelopes, they have the cards. You can put your handmade cards, like already ready to go in the mail, right in there. Some pens, maybe some stamps. This is a great little kit there. And then it gives you all the instructions. And when I say all the instructions, it tells you the best way to make this card. And they show you all the pieces. And then I don't know, I'm going to get a little pointer here. You can see they tell you where to put, like they tell you to get a dimensional and cut it in half. That's the little scissors. And they tell you where to put those. They tell you where to put all the dimensionals here. And then they show you what goes with it. So like you're also going to have, you can use the wishing the best. You're going to use a little piece of twine. And it tells you how long, 15 inches of twine. And then over here, it shows you how to put it all together. And then it has those 3 little gem glitter embellishments. And they show you where you're going to put those as well. So you'll see them all throughout here. So you've got your dimensionals, you've got your glue dots, you've got your sequins. And then in another picture, this should show you where it goes. Yeah, here you go. So there's your sequins, and there's your cutouts, and look at how cute that card is. Oh, so adorable. And then here you go. I was wondering what was going to be in that insert there, and it's going to be those banners. But remember I said there's other things you can do. Well, that banner, that was so big, you could maybe break that down and use other size cards. So that's why I say this is at least 10 cards. I always make alternatives. So I am excited for October 4th is when World Card Making Day is. So if you want more information, please feel free to reach out to me. You can go to beautyandthestamper.com. There you go. beautyandthestamper.com, and you will be able to get in touch with me through there using signing up for my newsletter. So I cannot wait. I'm going to have fun time with my girlfriends and then come home with at least 10 cards. Last year we made the haunted house, and that was so fun. And then this year we're putting together this kit with our little group of gals. So if you're looking for friends, we've got them here. So all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.